There we go, Olivia.
Yes, obviously your name got dropped yesterday in the testimony of President Clinton. Can I just ask you straight up, have you ever met, been in contact with, or been on a plane either operated by Jeffrey Epstein or occupied by Jeffrey Epstein?
See, no. Let me be clear. First of all, President Clinton clearly was mistaken, and he corrected the mistake, to his credit. And no, I had never met Jeffrey Epstein. I was never on Jeffrey Epstein's plane. I was never on any plane with Jeffrey Epstein or with Ghislaine Maxwell. Never met her. But you know who did? You know who palled around with both of them? Donald Trump did. Donald Trump is known to have spent a lot of time with both of them, and yet he still hasn't owned up to it and still hasn't been held accountable for that, and that we should do.
Can you talk about what aircraft was used on those trips in 2008?
I don't know. I mean, in 2008, there was actually a donated aircraft, as I recall, from Google. There were about 25 people on the aircraft, and they were all political types and people involved with the foundation, the Clinton Foundation, including Chelsea Clinton and other people.
And what about the 2013 trip?
I don't know whose aircraft that was, but that was not, we triple checked, that was not Jeffrey Epstein's aircraft, and there were other people on that aircraft as well.
Were you aware of the connection between Epstein and the Clintons?
Oh, no, I'd never even heard of Jeffrey Epstein until, obviously, the scandal that broke out in, 2019.
What was the purpose of those trips?
Oh, it was all about the Clinton Foundation. And frankly, I'd been doing work supporting healthcare in Africa, particularly fighting AIDS in Africa, but also the healthcare systems need support across, and these are the sub-Saharan African countries like Liberia, Ethiopia, et cetera. And so I was on that trip to learn more and look at areas where I had or could support the healthcare systems in those countries.
And what do you make of Republicans trying to make hay of all of this?
Well, naturally, the Republicans are trying to, it's a wag the dog. Let's, look over here, look over here. Don't look at the leader of their party, the leader of this country, who is a Republican, Donald Trump, who clearly is somebody that needs to be investigated, needs to be answering for his relationship with Ghislaine Maxwell, with Jeffrey Epstein, and has done none of that. You saw other people testifying. Where is President Trump's testimony?